Look at that. Okay, so for this roast chicken in an air fry recipe, you'll need some salt, some black pepper, paprika, olive oil, thyme, some aluminum foil, and obviously you need a thawed chicken like I have here. The chicken that I'm going to be cooking with is 3.4 pounds. So just keep that in mind when you're measuring out your ingredients. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so my chicken actually came with a rope on it, and it came with some flavoring on it. Obviously, if your chicken is plain, it's really not an issue at all. Just do it exactly as I'm doing it here. First thing you want to do is you want to put your olive oil all over the chicken. Just make sure you get that around the chicken. Okay, so that's going to hold the rest of the spices nicely. Okay, so mine is all oiled up. Okay, so next I want to add my salt. Some paprika. Some black pepper. And some thyme. If you want to mix this up into a rub before you do this, then that could make it a bit easier, but I just like to get straight into it. Okay, so you want to get that paprika and all these spices in every nook and cranny of the chicken. Look how good that's looking already. It's a really beautiful color, delicious looking color. Obviously, if you want to make a peri-peri chicken, you can add your own spices. You can really use whatever rub you want. Okay, so we're going to turn it around, and then we're going to repeat the process. Okay, so the aluminum foil has two jobs. First, it's going to stop the chicken from drying out. Second, it's going to keep your air fryer clean. So it really is a win-win situation for both us and the air dryer. Okay, so this chicken is going to be more of a slow cooking chicken, so you want the shiny side facing outwards. Okay, just make sure it's nice and tightly packed. And there we go. We got a chicken that's ready for the air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're initially going to cook our chicken for 1 hour. Once that's done, what we're going to do is take it out of the tin foil and cook it for 30 minutes again, so that it can crisp the outer skin. So let's do that. Okay, let's see what it comes out like. Look at that. Look at that fat sizzle. Obviously, so I had this bird in for 1.5 hours at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So at 1 hour point, I took it out of the tin foil and I put it back into the air fryer, and then I flipped it every 15 minutes. So that's a total of 1.5 hours. So let's take it out and see what we have here. The way to see if this bird is properly done is it's all about that chicken breast. That looks really good, and it still looks really tender. As you can see, put it right in the camera there. It does look delicious. And that's what the thigh looks like. Obviously very fatty. So there you have it, guys. As always, if you found this video useful, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It always helps to support the channel. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, which should be around there on your screen. Alright, thanks a lot, guys.